Welcome back to JoJo's Land. Today we're going to take a look at this monitor stand from Vivo. This is quite an interesting product. It will allow you to mount two monitors on it, and it will allow you to actually mount it in your desk. Screw it on in the desk, and this sounds quite good for me because this makes me believe that this product is going to be quite stable and able to hold the two monitors and their weight. Now this thing should hold up to 20 kilograms of monitors, so that's quite interesting and I can't wait to see what's inside this box, so let's check it out. So let's have a bit of a closer look in this box. Now first thing I can see, there are no seals and there's no tape or anything like that, so I wonder if all the pieces are actually inside this thing. What you do have, you have some information here regarding the dimensionings of this stand. So that's good, at least they show you that from the very beginning. And you also have the two types of VESA mounts here that you can actually use to the monitors. We know we have 360 rotation. We know we have a 45-degree tilt option, so yeah, that's always good to have. Something very interesting right here, we have some cable management options. I think that should be interesting to see what's going on. Now what else we have? We have also some swivel, 90-degree swivel, so that's quite interesting. I think you could use these monitors in many ways with all these options you have here. This monitor stand will hold monitors from 13 to 27 inches and up to 8 kilograms each. So yeah, that makes me think that this is quite a resilient and quite a solid stand. So let's open this box and see what we can find inside. And there's a lot of stuff inside. Let's check it out. First thing I can see, we have this instructions. I guess you have the model right there, some mounting instructions, all the components in the package, more mounting and assembly instructions here. Here we have some sort of, I think these are actually cable management clamps. Yes, that is what actually they are. Now these clamps, I think this is for the main stand, the main column, and this will help you actually attach wires so you can manage them around your monitors to give that better professional look and to avoid cluttering your desk. I always like to see something like this. Here we have some sort of, I think these are actually cable management clamps. Yes, that is what actually they are. Now these clamps, I think this is for the main stand, the main column, and this will help you actually attach wires so you can manage them around your monitors to give that better professional look and to avoid cluttering your desk. I always like to see something like this. And then you also have these tinier ones that go with the arms of the stand, so this should clip on the arms and also allow you to route some cables through there, and that should be quite helpful. See what else? Okay, so we have some Allen keys here and a screwdriver head as well. So it's good that manufacturers think about these things. Yep, you have a flat screwdriver head right there. Let me show it to you. Then you have the Allen keys right here. So you'll probably be able to use these to actually mount this stand. So it's good they give you the tools to do it right in the box. Okay, let's see, more tiny boxes. We love opening boxes here in JoJo's Land. More tiny boxes that don't open that easy. Okay, so I think this actually is going to be that crane that you can actually fix this monitor to your desk. And this is going to allow you to do that without drilling holes in your desk. So that's always an option, and it's always an option good to have, I think. Now there's also some screws here for positioning and adding the upper piece to this. Okay, I don't know if I'm actually going to use this. I think I'm just going to drill my desk though. More tiny boxes. What do we have here this time? Okay, so what we have here, I think these are actually the VESA mounts. Now these will go to the back of your monitor. There's the 70mm mount and the 100 mount. So your monitors should be compatible with that. If not, this stand might just not work for you. See what else? Okay, so this looks like something, oh, this is like a pole. Okay, so this is the main part. It has a screw in right there. So this should actually be mounted to your desk. And the stand with the arms will go on this. We can build those on this center part right here. Let's see what else. A lot of parts we have. Okay, so this is a bracket that you use actually to go with this one, I think. Yeah. So these actually go like this together, and they'll tighten the whole thing to the desk. So you could actually have a safe, sturdy fit without actually drilling holes. But then again, there is another option where you cannot use any of this and just go ahead, drill the desk. This will go directly into this, and you will also have to use these things. Now these things are like big washers that will actually hold these parts so your desk won't swivel around. So this will go like this, mounted. So it has a large surface to distribute the weight on. And we have another one. Okay, so I can imagine joining these pieces to a piece of wood, and with a big screw will make it quite sturdy. And yeah, I think there will be no issues of stability or any issues not supporting the weight on this thing. It all looks so sturdy, so thick. Look at the thickness of this metal. It's very thick and very resistant. I would not imagine having any kind of issues with this at all. The arms of the stand. Okay. More tiny boxes. A bunch of screws. I think you're gonna need this to actually join it all together. And another tiny box. I think we've seen one of these already. Yeah, as I guessed it, we have another monitor mount. VESA standard. Now these VESA ports have 70mm options and 100mm options. I will use the 100mm options as both my monitors will work with 100mm VESA. So you have two of these, one for each arm. These will secure in place with this quick hookup system, I think. You'll just slide in and then just secure it with a screw here on top. And that looks quite good. So this should be it quite for the box. Let me lay out all these pieces for you on this table right here so you can understand everything. Okay, screws, mounting, that's for the holdless mounting as well. And there's the pre-assembled arms, monitor mount, second monitor mount, huge thick washers, cable management clips right there, and this big sturdy, let's call it a fit for these arms. Okay, and a small plastic cap that goes with this. Okay, so now let's see this thing in action. I'm going to actually assemble everything. I'm not going to I'm not going to take you through all of that because I think that's going to take me a while and, to go through all the process. But I will show you. You'll see the end result.